In this video, I'm going to share with you a way where you can make $50 an hour with your cell phone by simply taking photos. Now, the great part, you can do this full time or part time. I started in this industry that I'm going to share with you back in 2012, and I was able to leave my job. And we're going to go into details in this video. Now, if you're new to this channel is designed to help you make money. Now, I do have another channel where I talk about how to take your credit and leverage it and teach you how to make money. So if you like that kind of information, make sure you subscribe to this channel. And if you want information on credit, make sure you click the link below for my other channel and subscribe there. And I give you a free hard inquiry removal package to remove those hard inquiries off of your credit report. So I'll leave the link for that below. You can download for free. Now, in this industry I am going to share with you, it is called field inspections. Now, field inspections have many different industries, but the one thing is the same. No matter where you are located in the United States, there are field inspections being done around you all the time. And many people say, well, I don't know about this. I never heard about it. But I guarantee that if you're living in a building or an apartment or working in an office, field inspections have been done for that building or even for your vehicle, and you might not even known about it. Now, in this industry, banks, insurance companies, and lenders need people like you and me to go out and perform these inspections. We need to be the eyes and ears for these institutions because they want to make sure if they are insuring a property or if they are lending on a vehicle or even a home, they want to check out that condition. And sometimes in this industry, the person that owns that property don't even know that these inspections are being done. But today, I'm going to show you this type of inspection that is called a field chase inspection. Now, with a field chase inspection, this is for those vehicles that that person may have not made their payments on, and the lender is trying to contact them to make a deal in order to have them to set up payment arrangements. So with these, they want to know the condition of the vehicle and can you locate that vehicle at that person's home. So with these inspections, they want to see the condition of the car. So normally when you come there, you want to locate the car because they gave you a description and just take photos of the car on your cell phone. Because many times people might not be making the payments because they had a car accident and the car is damaged. And the lender want to know about that because if they need to repossess the car, they need to sell it in order to recoup on the loan. Then the second part, they will want you to leave a notice on the door or ring the doorbell to try to contact the lender and simply hand them the letter for them to call them. You don't personally have to sit there and hand your cell phone over and try to get them to call. You just want to deliver the letter. Now, if that person is not there, you want to just post the letter there for the lien holder, and they can go ahead and contact that company to set up payment arrangements, and the company just want proof that you left that notice. Now, many a times, these types of field chases only takes 5 minutes, and you can do it in the less time for these types of inspections. Now, on the average, they're going to pay $25 to $35 for this simple inspection, so you can do multiple of these inspections in an hour, and you can make well over $50. But the point, you want to have as many inspections as possible, especially in your area. And you can do these kinds of inspections solely, or you can do other various types of field inspections. Now, you want to have some companies already lined up, and there are plenty out there in your particular state. You just got to know how to find them. And I'm going to share a company with you, and we're going to go into details, and I'm going to show you how you would perform these inspections. Now, if you want a list of these companies, I have this book, which have a list of companies in your state that you can actually start performing these kinds of inspections. And it offers a flexible schedule, and you could do this full-time and part-time. I'm going to leave the link for this book in the description of the video and in the pinned comment section. So let me show you how these inspections are done. This would
be an example. If you're looking for a field chase inspection for you to do this process, they would want you to take a picture of the outside of the home and the car in the shot if all possible. So they want to identify that vehicle. You would have the details of the make, model, and color of that vehicle in the report. So they want you to take a front picture. Also, this would not be a proper picture if you have the vehicle here. They want the whole or the rear of the vehicle for sure so they can get the license plate number. So you want to take a picture, locate the vehicle at the property, take a picture of the vehicle if it's not in front of the home, and then take a picture of the home itself so they know that you were at the right location. Next, they will want you to do a posting here, personal and confidential, and put the letter on the door. The reason why you have to put it in an envelope and you will want to use clear tape and post it on the door is because you don't want that person's personal information out there in reference to their loan. Here's another example of the way you properly do the postings, to put it on their front door or tuck it here in the corner of the door. Now, you do not want to post it with black tape, or if it's an apartment building where you don't have inner access, to leave it here on the outside of those doors. You want to make sure you put it up in a proper way, and they don't want to duct tape because that can leave a backing on that person's property. So you want to use clear tape. Comes to going to these locations, these inspections are very quick. You will be there for 3 to 5 minutes, and you will put the posting on the door. If the person comes to the door, just hand them the notice, and just you should, what I generally do, take my pictures before I go to the door and post the notice and take a photo, just in case you have to hand the envelope itself to the homeowner if they come to the door, or to the person that has the loan. So you would just hand it directly to them and put that in the notes. And like I said, this whole process is only 3 to 5 minutes. So you can make actually more than $50 an hour. You can do multiple of these inspections, and they're very simple inspections. Now, here's a company, United Field Chase. And this is a company that works across the nation, where you can become an independent contractor and perform these types of inspections. They also have other inspections. Here's a list of their services. They also have commercial inspection services, lease equipment, and inspection services. So they also have what we will be having here: collateral condition reports, merchant site inspections, repossession, vendor compliance inspection, and that will be under your field chase inspections. So they have various types of inspections. Car chase inspections. So you can do an array of inspections. And so they have a whole array of inspections. Now, what you would do is come to the contact us section, and you can become a prospective field inspector, as they're always looking for talent. So you would just fill out this information and submit your information for review to become a field inspector.
Now, hopefully, this information was helpful. If you want to continue to do these kind of inspections and you want a full list of inspection companies in your area, you can pick up this book in the description of the video and in the pinned comment section. And if you have more detailed questions for me, you can drop it in the comment section, or you could go to my website and all your questions go directly to my cell phone. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned.